When working with inheritance in JavaScript, you will frequently be facing these three properties: prototype, and object constructor. So let's start off with the prototype. This prototype is used with function constructors. This property allowed us to create properties or methods that sit on the proto objects once the object will be created. So when we add a property here on the prototype, then create the object, we can see that this property is sitting on the proto objects. And now if you have your object created and you want to change the prototype from the object itself, you use the proto object. I don't recommend that you do this, but with JavaScript allows you to do it. So you cannot use the proto on the function constructor. And finally, you have the object constructor. The object constructor returns the function that constructs the object. This will refer to this function constructor. You can make use of this constructor property to make a new object. For example, if you have an object and you want to create a new object that has the same properties and methods of that specific object, well, you can use the constructor property. For example, new person1 dot constructor, and we give it arguments. So this will create a new person. You can create an object using this, but it is recommended that you do it with the function constructor.